Are you going to play with your friends?
Yes, Dad. Sandy is bringing his new car toy.
Okay, enjoy yourself and come back early. We have to go to the park.
And a movie in the evening.
Look! My tower's getting so tall!
Wow, let's build a big castle together. Sandy will be coming soon.
Yes.
Oh, look, there he is. Come, let's go.
Everyone move from... Look, this is my new car!
Let me drive it and show you. Okay, now look at this. Hey, stop. Your hands are dirty.
Oh, it's okay. We stop.
Hey, look what I made with mud.
That's nice.
Don't come near my car.
Sandy, that's not good. You should allow everybody.
Hey, my car broke down. It won't start.
I think there is something wrong with the engine. I have a very good idea. Let me take out my old car from the garage.
Wow. Hey, here's the car. Hope it works.
Wow, this is a very old car.
Nice.
Wow, this looks amazing.
Hey everyone, let's go for a ride.
That was so much fun. Thank you so much for the ride.
Goodbye.
Bye. We have to go now. We have to go to the park.
So who wants ice cream? First we play in the park.
Dad, let us go and play on the seesaw.
Dad, you are so heavy.
Dad, I am scared of this.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Oh, I lost the game.
Not everyone wins the game, but everyone can learn from playing it.
I like this. It's beautiful. Everyone cannot be a winner, but everyone can become stronger through the challenge.
So who wants ice cream?
Me, Dad. I like that one.
This is delicious.
Come on, we are going for a movie now.
Are we going to see a scary movie?
No, dear, it's a children's movie. You'll love it.
Dad, I want popcorn. Why is Dad taking so long?
I bought your popcorn.
Here, take. We will share this popcorn. Mom, you want some popcorn?
The movie is over. Let's go now.
Mom, I was not scared at all.
That was a good movie. We enjoyed it. The children are so happy.
Yes!
We will go again next weekend.
Yeah!
only if you do good in school.
We're here. Woohoo! Welcome home.
You were good children today. Now Mom will prepare dinner for you all.
Okay, children. I am going to the kitchen to make dinner. Come on, get ready.
I hope you are enjoying the dinner.
Yes, Mom.
Yes, Mom.
You were good children today. You enjoyed the day, didn't you?
I want to put this blanket on Mom and Dad. Give it to me.
I'm proud of you. Being kind is important. We had a very good day.
I can do that.
Me too.
Okay. Good night.
Good night.